Look how crazy these stairs are. That's a long ass line. We think that's the line for the bus tickets to Machu Picchu, so we're gonna try to eat real quick and then make our way in line. Basically just wait in line for whenever your time is for Machu Picchu, and then someone will come by, stamp your Machu Picchu's ticket, so have it printed, and then they'll stamp your or scan your bus ticket with your passport. These tour guides are ruthless, man. They'll undercut the other person even if you have a tour guide. It's fucking crazy. And now we're waiting in line because they wanted to get a tour guide.
You know why, right? Only to the tour.
This dude's from Buffalo, homie, big Bills fan, and his wife is also a Bills fan.
This is Machu Picchu, man. That's for you. I told you, the most special city of the Inca times. Everybody now you have to see the more higher mountains. Have you seen the people right there?
Mm-hmm.
See, close to the top of the mountain, that's the Machu Picchu mountain. After the tour, you're getting right there.
Pretty neat. Learn some new things. Yeah, he was telling us about the pools of water, speaking to the sun, telling time, but it was just evaporation, so it's kind of interesting. Sun temple up there. This is like the amphitheater he was saying. He did like a demonstration. Yeah, see, you hear that? You can clap and you can hear it all the way across the land. I thought this was the one that we wanted to do, but this is only for high season.
Oh, okay.
And but I mean the names are kind of similar. Yeah. And online this was with the H and not a fucking hella confusing. Hello, we met friends.
Hey, cool.
More Americans, yeah. We live in DC.
It's easy to meet friends when you're suffering uphill.
Yeah, I know.
Really bonds people.
But we got a train to catch, so we're gonna run.
Yeah.
All right, good luck.
Have fun.
Don't run too fast.
Adios.
Because the fog is completely gone.
Oh yeah?
You can see everything.
Yeah, at least much better than before.
Sweet.
I mean, the views are amazing from there.
Yeah.
So
cool.
You will enjoy it.
Yeah. You guys had a good hike yesterday?
Yeah, actually it was, I mean, we were a little bit tired, to be honest.
Ended up dead. I mean, the knee is
Yeah, that was the biggest issue.
Yeah, it was brutal.
But apart from that, I mean, it was super beautiful. We enjoyed it a lot. Well, have a nice trip. Yeah, you also. So nice to see you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you.
Nice seeing you.
Bye-bye.
Have fun.
Want me to hand it to you? I'll do your job for you?
Please.
Alright, what do you want?
Feed the needy.
Amarillo, verde,
Whatever you want.
naranja. No.
Not that one.
Good luck. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, just one. Get it plain. Just burger, just cheese. Dude, it's fucking
I'm telling you, it's dog shit.
no.
Dane, I had one. Bro, we went to float the river over the summer, and the people I was with wanted to float. They wanted to go to In-N-Out afterwards. We went. Actually awful. And there's a Peter's across the street.
I didn't have a fucking play place for you.
Fuck you, bitch. Got up to the top, and all we can see is clouds. That's right, clouds. Those are the desk stairs that Dane wanted to do, but they're closed clearly, so yeah, big sad.
So yeah, so see our circuit 3, we got to go in that down there.
Yeah.
I think circuit
2 you stay high.
2,
2 and 1 you stay
into
high.
but you get into that upper stuff where they're at there, and circuit 1 is the one that takes up, right? And so you only get up in that like the upper terracing and up there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think this is definitely the best circuit. It would be cool to go in that little area right there.
The middle part?
Yeah.
On the way down from Machu Picchu, it was pretty sick actually. Being so high, you could look down on the town of Machu Picchu. Yeah, I would say get the late ticket if you can, because the clouds cleared up whenever we were up there, as you saw. Don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but we don't leave till 6 o'clock at night, so we'll find something to do. But it was just like sick to like be up there and just see everything over here. It's actually incredible. In like a little, I don't know, hut thing on when you leave. It's pretty cool. Machu Picchu, really cool. I think it's the first one I've been to. Definitely would recommend. So that was the nose we just climbed, right?
Yep.
I can't believe we never knew it was a face. Don't walk the wrong way, or you'll get yelled at like Dane did.
Yeah. 5 times.
Was it really that many times?
Nah, just 4.
Yeah, pleasure meeting you. Take care.
Thank you, man. I'll see you.
Hit us up when
Yeah.
you're in DC, for
Of
sure.
course, yeah. I'll let you know.
All right.
I'm good. Safe travels, guys. Now we're on the search for food. I think we're gonna eat guinea pig for lunch. So we shall see. Dane's scavenging to find the best price for guinea pig. Gotta love it. Right here is guinea pig, and then we've got lomo saltado, and then we have Dan. And we're about to get more ceviche from yesterday. There's the ceviche. Fucking mountain of food right there.
Round of what?
Mountain of food. Oh. What do you think? Chewy.
Very chewy.
Is it good though?
I don't know. I don't know if I'd do it again.
We're just chilling at the hostel because we had to pick up our bags. But now we're trying to find some snacks for the food on the road, which are train boards in like an hour. Little buses that we took.
It's a team bus.
Fuck you, bitch. Just follow all the other fucking tourists. The fact that we had to walk through the fucking market to get to the station is odd. I think.
Well, the thing about it in airports, I mean, go through like the duty-free area every time, like the smell of the fragrances.
There, but this is a train station. Never had that happen before.
Yeah. It's true.
Fuck, man.
Right. Stop filming and enjoy life.
Fuck you. There you go. Get that piece. That's the biggest piece. Throw it in my face. Bus ride to Cusco at 8 o'clock at night.
Atención, por favor. Buenas noches, damas.
It's like 10 o'clock. We just got to Cusco. I'm quite tired. It was very fucking hot in that bus. But we're at Cusco now, so now we gotta go get our things from our old hostel. Take it to a new hustle. Yeah, I'm tired. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you
Ooh, that was athletic. Martine can stand up in there.
Vertical video, bitch.